What do Beethoven, Mozart, or even Ed Sheeran have in common? Yes, they are all human and they make music. Hello, it's John, not John again. In the last video, we talked about the use of AI in filmmaking and its impact on the industry. Well, today we shall continue our discussion of AI within the creation of art, but this time it's gonna be about music and how AI is applied in this music industry. We will also look at some responses towards this combination of machinery and art. From composing directly with musical instruments to using digital software for music production, technological advancements have revolutionized the way music is produced and displayed. Now, with the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the music industry is going through major changes once again. As we discussed in the last video, AI or artificial intelligence refers to the replication of human intelligence in machines according to Datta and Goswami. So, how exactly artificial intelligence is used in music, you may ask? With its machine learning capability, AI has proved to be able to contribute to the music industry in some incredible ways. Firstly, regarding music composition, AI can generate melodies and pieces of music using algorithms. Zulić, in his article How AI Can Change, Improve, Influence Music Composition, Performance, and Education, 3 case studies, discussed about IVA as a notable example. IVA, or Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, is an AI that can generate soundtracks for various forms of entertainment like games, films, or even commercials. The AI collects data from about 30,000 musical compositions. It analyzes with deep neural network to learn the fundamentals of genres, creating a set of mathematical principles tailored to a certain music genre. This then helps it to compose songs. As the AI is not limited by physical constraints like human, it can be the alternative to human composer when it comes to producing hours of original music for games like instance. However, there are still obvious limitations to AI composed music, such as lacking human creative factor, which is a major element when it comes to art, and AI composed music is still solely dependent on human. Then, how about during performances? Unlike in composition, the use of AI might be a bit questionable when it comes to performances, as the process focuses more on the artist's ability while the machines only play a minor role. Despite this issue, AI still managed to show some possible applications. One example that Zulić presented is the Yamaha's project, where a dancer plays a piano through his moves. Crazy, right? The AI used in this project can instantly detect the dancer's movement, which is translated into a matching melody data via a neutral database that links movements with sounds. The data is then transferred back to the piano to play the corresponding melody. In this way, rather than dancers following the music, they will be the one in control and music shall adjust to the dance moves. Performances then can be executed with less risk. Moreover, it also challenges the limits of art itself and create new forms of performance in a way. Nonetheless, there are still need for further advancement to be made in order to truly show the potentials of AI in aiding performances. Another interesting field that Zulić pointed out is music education. In reality, AI in music teaching faces more difficulties than other subjects due to the fact that it requires creativity and problem-solving skill from both the tutors and the learners. However, within the context of hypermedia, referring to the interconnected media contents, AI is proved to be more effective in teaching than the traditional teaching method. A person could memorize up to about 75% of the information if they interact with it visually and auditorily while also actively use it. Many music learning programs have adopted AI technology to make music lessons more captivating while still educating musical knowledge. However, these programs still face certain drawbacks that prevent them from being put into practice in schools, like the program is only applied on an individual basis, or the lack of electronic equipment in schools, as well as the need for improvements in certain areas for these programs. We can see that there's a variety of ways that AI can be used in the field of music, even though there are still a considerable number of limitations. Then, how do the public respond to this? In a study carried out by Shank, Stefanik, Stuhlsatz, Kacirek, and Belfi, the result actually showed that people enjoyed music less if it was believed to be produced by artificial intelligence. They provided two explanations to this disapproval. The first one is because that AI composed music is different from people's expectation of what AI can produce. And the second reason is because these disapprovals only occurs on highly favored music genres. Either way, this showed that people in general still have mixed opinions, therefore the public is not ready yet for the AI composers. Those are the general responses of using AI in music composition. What are your thoughts? Are those views also applied to other aspects of the music industry that we discussed about? Let me know your answer down in the comment section. Drop a like if you agree with what we discussed about in this video. And if you have any suggestion on what we should talk about next, please let me know. But for today, thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye!